Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the little wheel locations for day 13 in Heartopia. So, in this Call of Wheels event, you can get a special quest from NPC Naughty that in here you need to collect the photo of little wheels that scattered around the map. So just commit the NPC Naughty and then just start to collect the photo. Just collect the photo every day. And then if you missed the previous day, don't worry, I have already made the tutorials, so you can just check the previous day locations at the Heartopia playlist. And then for today, for day 13, you can just get the little whale at the Whalefall area. You can get the little whale at you can find the little whale at the eyes of Whalefall, and it's located over here. You can see it, this area, this points. And then next, just open your camera and then just take a photo of it like this. And just like that, you will successfully unlock the little wheel for day 13. And then for the shell bubble, the furniture bubble is located on this area. This one, just pop it, and you will get the white splash wheel. And it's located over here, this area. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.